So what's up guys, welcome to Selenium tutorial. In this class we will see how to get a reference. So first of all, directly go to your favorite web browser and type out Selenium documentation. After that you will be getting this many results. Just scroll down and click on this tab, which is 7 WebDriver API. And from this website you can get all the required help that you are in need of. So first of all, click on the installation. If you are getting any problem during the installation process, you can just go through this installation process, and you can see how to install Selenium. You have to execute this command, which is pip install Selenium. Then you have to get the web drivers. If you want if you are a Chrome user, you can get the web driver from this website. Just open this website and click on this Chrome driver over here. And after clicking on this, you just have to click on this Chrome driver first step. And if you are a Linux user, click on this. If you are using Mac system, click on this. If you are a Windows user, Windows operating system, then click on this. And after that it will be getting downloaded like this zip file. Okay, so this is how you can download your Chrome driver. And if you are using any other browser, I'm making use of the Chrome because I'm making use of, I'm using the Chrome web browser over here. If you are using Edge, then click on this. If you are a Firefox user, then open this, and you can download and install the uh, web driver for your Mozilla. And you have to come over here, and you have to get a zip file. Okay, so there are this many flavors available over here. If you are Linux user, 32-bit user, then click on this. If you are a Linux 64-bit user, click on this. If you are Mac OS user, you download this file. And Windows 32-bit or 64-bit user, download these files accordingly. And you can now get web driver for your browser. If you are Safari user, go to this link. Okay, and over here they have given the all the required details how to download and install this Selenium web driver and all. And next comes getting started. And over here they have shown how to open a web driver and all. Okay, so this is the code. You have to import these two files, then you have to write this code. I'll be showing you guys how to do this, but let me just introduce you to the documentations and navigations. Okay, so how to navigate to the elements and all, everything is available over here. You just have to go through the documentation. And important thing inside of the documentation is locating elements. Okay, so if you want to locate a id, you have to make use of this, which is find element by id, find element by name, find element by xpath. You just have to know these properties over here which are given. And over here they have shown how to make use of them. Okay, so this is all about the documentation. Whenever you are getting any error or need any help, you can always go to the documentation and see how things are working. And if you want to put some time in between of execution of code and all, then we will be making use of the wait or a sleep method. And if you want to stop the web driver, you have to say driver.quit. Okay, so everything is available over here. Just go through all the elements of this Selenium documentation. It is always a good idea to go through the documentation, because all the help and code that is needed and required by you will be present inside of this documentation. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about how to download and install Selenium web driver and introduction to the documentation. Thanks for watching. So what's up guys, welcome to Selenium tutorial. And in this class we will see how to install Selenium. Click on the installation tab over here. And in order to install Selenium, you have to execute this command, which is pip install Selenium. Just copy this, go to your tab and search for command prompt, and open your command prompt. And over here you have to type out this command and hit enter key. Okay, so now as can be seen, it says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed Selenium, because of which I'm getting this. If you are executing this command for the first time, you won't be getting this required already satisfied, because you are installing Selenium for first time, so it will be getting installed. Okay, so this is how you will be installing Selenium on your system. And our next step is getting a web driver. In the previous tutorial, I have shown you all how to get the web driver from these links, and now we have to give path to our web driver. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Okay, so now this is that Chrome driver file which was downloaded by me. I will say open in folder, and this is that particular file. I will just extract it over here only. I will say extract here, just have to say yes. And now this is that file which is a chrome driver.exe. I will just cut this file. I will go inside of my C driver, and I will go inside my program files, or I think I should save it over here inside of okay, let me just save that inside of the program files, and I will give the name as a chrome driver to this. I will create one folder over here. Okay, I will create one folder. I will say new folder, and I will say web driver. Okay, and inside of this web driver I will paste my file. Okay, so now my web driver have been saved over here, and now I will open my Python IDE. You can just come over here and search for Python, and this ID what you see, just double click on it, and now it will be getting opened. Just click on file, click on new file, and now you have to save this file. Just make sure that whenever you are saving this file, you cannot give the name as a selenium.py. Okay, if you give the if you are saving the file in name of Selenium, it will throw an error. I will say this is a test1.py, and I will save this on the desktop. Okay, so now I have created this file. I will write some basic code over here. I'll come inside of this, and I will say from Selenium import web driver, because I am in need of web driver. Then I will say driver is equal to web driver dot Chrome, because I'm making use of Chrome, and inside of this now I will give the link of my Chrome. Okay, so I have saved that inside of the Windows program files, and inside of this web driver I have saved my file. I will just click on this, and I will say properties, and I will copy this. Okay, so you have to copy this path, paste it over here, and just put one more backslash, and you have to give the name of your file. Okay, so just right click on this and say rename, and copy this entire name, and paste it over here. Okay, so now our Chrome driver has been linked, and now I will say driver dot set page load timeout, and I will give the value as 30 over here, and I will say driver dot get, and now I will be opening Instagram. I will say http, then two backslashes www dot instagram.com over here, and let me just write code first, then I will tell you how this is working. I will say driver dot maximize window in order to maximize the window size, and I will say driver dot implicitly wait for 20 seconds, and after that I will say driver dot wait. Let's see whether this is working or not. I will save this, and now I will run this file. I will say run module. Okay, so now my WebDriver is getting activated, and now it will open Instagram. Okay, so now as can be seen how we can download and store our WebDriver, and how to open Instagram. So basically what we are doing over here is from Selenium I'm importing the WebDriver which is needed by us, and over here I'm creating the variable known as the driver. I am saying WebDriver.chrome because I am making use of Chrome over here, and then I am giving the name of my WebDriver where it is located. If you are making use of the Firefox, then you have to say Firefox over here. Okay, I'm making use of the Chrome driver because from website I have downloaded the Chrome WebDriver, and I have linked my WebDriver over here. Okay, we are in need of that. Once this Chrome driver has been linked, I will say driver.set page load time, which is page will take 30 I've given 30 as a value. It will just wait for that much of time, and after that it will get me this page, which is it will take me to the instagram.com. This is the link of the instagram.com. If you want to go to Google, or if you want to go to the Facebook over here, just say Facebook, and let me just go to the Facebook over here. Okay, so if you want to make use of the Facebook, or if you want to load the Facebook inside of your window, then you just have to come over here, and you have to give the URL of Facebook over here. Okay, so this is how you should be giving the link of Facebook, and first of all it will get this link whatever that is given by you of Instagram or Facebook, and it will maximize the window. Okay, maximizing the window is nothing but it is increasing the size of my window. Then it will wait for this much of time, which is 20, and after that it will close the driver. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this code and running this code, then this time Facebook will be getting opened. Okay, so now my Chrome is getting activated, and now it has opened the Facebook page, and it has maximized the screen. Okay, so this is how it will be maximizing. Let's just wait for a while. Okay, so now it has tried to open the Facebook page, but my net connection is slow, so it won't be opening it. And after that you will be taken to the page of Facebook, and you just have to increase this time, and once all these things are done, I have set driver.quit. When this statement will be executed, whatever window that was popping up just now, it will be gone because of this I have said driver.quit. Okay, because that window was opened by the Chrome driver, and when it executes this statement, which is driver.quit, it closes that window. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about Selenium, how to open your WebDriver and fetch some page. Okay, so whatever page that you want to show on that window, you have to put that link over here. Thanks guys for watching. So what's up guys, so welcome to Selenium tutorial, and now we will see how to type out something inside of our web driver. So let me just go to this Chrome browser over here, and now what I'll do is I will show you how to proceed further. Okay, so inside of this I will be making use of this Selenium documentation. Just go to third tab, which is navigations, and we will see how to make use of the navigations over here. Okay, so there are lot many things present. Sorry, we will be going to the locating elements, which will be telling us how to locate any element. Okay, So I will come inside of my script over here, and now I want to load Google page. Okay, so I will come over here and I will say google.com, and just double click on this, and this is the link that you have to copy. Just copy it and paste it inside of this double quotes. And now when this code will be executing, it will be opening the Google tab. And now what I want to do over here is I will load this google.com, then I will maximize my window, and after maximizing I will type out something over here. Okay, so in order to type something inside of this automatically type something inside of the search tab, just click inside of this, just right click, click on inspect, and now this input have been highlighted. Okay, so just right click over here and say edit as a HTML, and all the information of this input over here, input element has been given. Okay, it got class, this as a class, then it got a name. Okay, so in order to access this input field, I will be making use of the name. Okay, so in order to make use of the name, I will go over here and I will make use of this attribute. Okay, find element by name. So I will come over here, I will say driver dot, and now I'll come to my documentation. I will say find element by name. I will copy this, and inside of this double quotes over here, I will be giving this name. Okay, name as a queue. Okay, so name of this input field is queue. I will copy this and I'll come over here and I'll paste that queue over here. Okay, so now we are having access to this particular tab, and now I want to type something over here. If suppose I am saying cars, then hitting enter, then I'll be getting the results of the cars over here. Okay, so I want to get this result, so now I will type cars inside of this automatically. So I will say dot send keys, and whatever value that I want to type out inside of that, I will put it over here. I will say cars, and when I do this, then automatically cars will be typed out over here. And after typing cars, I have to click on this button. Okay, and in order to click on this button, I will say inspect. Okay, so this is that input field. I will just right click on this and say edit as HTML, and this is the class. Okay, so now I will copy this class. First of all, I'll come over here and I will look inside of this how to call a class. Okay, so we will make use of this find element by class name, which is this one. I will copy this first, and I will say driver dot, and I will paste that class over here, and inside of this I will pass name of that class, which is this one. I will copy this, come over here and paste it, and basically class of this button have been noted by us. Now I want to click on this button. Okay, so I will come over here and I will make use of this click function. I will say dot click. Okay, and now I will save this, and now let me just run this module. Now just wait and watch how everything is working. It will automatically type out some text over there and get me the results. Okay, so my Chrome driver is now activated. It will open the Chrome. Okay guys, we are getting some errors over here. So what we will do is I will go to the get started, and I will just copy this one more line, and I will paste that line over here inside of my main code. I will save this. Now let's see whether this is working or not. Now it has opened the Chrome driver. Okay, so now it will type something over here. Okay, so now it have typed the car and hit enter, and now I'm getting these results. Okay, so as can be seen, you can do things automated over here, and now we are not getting any error. Everything has been executed successfully. Now suppose I want to get the results of bikes. I will say bikes. I will save this, and I will run my module. Okay, so now as can be seen, everything has been done automatically. It will now type bikes, and it will hit on that Google search. Okay, so why this is not working? Let me just close this for a while. We are getting error. Okay, I will give little bit of space over here. I will save this, and I will run the module over again. Okay, so what actually happening is once it types out the text, it is getting the suggestion options, and because of which this Google search button is getting hidden. Okay, so now I don't know what should I be doing over here. Let me just see. Okay, so basically what we used to do is after typing out over here, we can even click enter on our keyboard. So I will show you how to invoke that function. So in order to take the input from your keyboard, we will be making use of dot send keys, and we will make use of this. Okay, let me just copy this code. I'll come over here, and instead of making use of this click over here, I will say dot key. I will say dot send keys keys dot enter. Okay, so I want to type enter key. I will save this. At least now it should work. I will run my module. Okay, so now it will put some text over here. Okay, so now this is working fine. Now I'm getting the result. Okay guys, this is how you can automate things with Selenium. Thanks for watching. So what's up guys, welcome to Selenium tutorial. In the previous class we have seen how to type some text on Google and get some results. So now we will be going a little bit ahead, and yeah, after typing bikes over here, if suppose I am hitting on Google search, now I'm doing this manually. Okay, so now I'll be coming to this page. Now suppose I want to access the images, I'll be clicking on this image button. I will just right click and I'll say inspect element. And this is that element. I will just say edit as HTML. And now it got two classes, Q and QS. I will make use of this QS class. I will copy this, Okay, so after hitting the enter key, I will save divo.find element by let me just find that element over again. This is that element. Element by class name. uh, I will copy this code and paste it over here, and I will give the name of that class, uh, which is QS. Find element by class name, and I will say dot click. I will save this. Let me just run and see what output I am getting. Okay, now my Google is getting loaded. It will type bikes, and now it should be clicking on that image section. Okay, so it is not working. So guys, it is not working because it's a class, and over here we have set it as a name. So I have to change this to class, and now I will save this and I will run my module over again. At least now it should work. Okay, so now my Google is getting loaded. It will type cars over here. Sorry, bikes, and now it should click on that image tab. That is the issue with the net connection. I think because of that it is not working properly. Okay, so I don't know what's the reason, but it should be clicking on this. Let me just say inspect. Find element by okay, so find element by class name. I have made a mistake. If you want to see how things are working over here, just click on this locating elements, and this will tell you how to locate any element. And I had made one mistake. I had to say the class name over here. Now let me just run this. At least now everything should go perfectly fine. Okay, so now we are on this step, and now it will click on images, and now I am getting all these images. Okay, so this is how you can navigate, and currently as can be seen, everything is done automatically by the Selenium WebDriver. Okay guys, so this was all about how to navigate inside of your web page with the help of Selenium. Thanks for watching.